Hi everybody, today we're going to find the point of intersection for three equations in three unknowns using GeoGebra 3D. As an example, we're going to solve the system of equations negative 2x plus 4y plus 2z is 6, negative 3x plus 6y minus z is negative 7, and negative x minus 2y plus 3z is 15. To solve the system of equations, I typed my three equations using my keyboard right into GeoGebra 3D. I didn't have to use any special characters, I just typed on my keyboard. When you first put in the planes, they all came in the same color, which might make it hard to view. You can change the color by clicking on the three dots to the right of the equation, go to Settings, go to Color, and then pick a different color to make the graph a little clearer. You can also click directly on the plane, click on the paint can, and change the color there. Now that I have three different colors, I can clearly see each plane, and I can see that there is a point of intersection for the three planes all together. Two planes intersect to form a line. Because I have multiple planes, I have multiple lines that are intersecting. Those lines will intersect at a single point. To find a line of intersection, we can go to the tools, go to Intersect Two Surfaces, and then click on Two Surfaces. This produces a line that intersects the two planes. To see which two planes were used, we can go back to the algebra pane, which says this intersected the path for equation 2 and equation 3. We can simply duplicate that input and change it from equation 2, equation 3 to equation 2 and equation 1. We can duplicate that again to look at the intersection of equation 3 and equation 1. Now that we have our three lines, let's turn off our planes so we can get a better look at the point of intersection. This point of intersection we can find by going to the input line, type intersect, and then pick any of the two lines that were just formed. So you can use F and G, G and H, or F and H. Let's keep it simple and go with F and G. This tells us we have a point at -1, -1, +4. Notice we have three coordinates to go with our point. If you would like to change the look of the point, go to the settings. You can change the style, you can increase the font, you can also change the color. To add a little clarity, I'm going to get rid of the XY plane. I'm going to click on it and say, take that plane off. Now I can look just at the point where it intersects all three of our original planes. Let's show those again. Now that I click the planes back on, you can see the intersection of the three planes coming together to a single point.